In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables in Woocommerce product descriptions using a WordPress plugin. This task is a great way to enhance your product listings by making them more organized and informative. Tables can help present data in a clear format, whether you're listing features, prices, or comparison categories. First, you'll need to navigate to wordpress.com, your one-stop destination for building and customizing your website. Once there, click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your account. If you're not already familiar with this, keep in mind that having your login details handy will streamline the process. After logging in, you'll want to head over to the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can control everything related to your site, from posts to pages and everything in between. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll notice various options on the side panel, allowing you to manage different aspects of your site. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding a table, so let's dive into that. Click on Posts or Pages, depending on where you intend to add your table. Opting for posts is typically used for blog-like updates, while pages are more static content such as product descriptions or info pages. Keep in mind that wherever you decide to place your table, it should provide the most value to your readers and enhance their understanding. With your page or post open, locate the plus button, typically found in the WordPress editor. This button is your friend whenever you need to add new elements to your content, whether it's a block of text, an image, or in this case, a table. Clicking it will open a menu of different content blocks you can add. Next, search for tables in the block search bar. Typing tables will bring up the table block, which you'll need to click on to insert into your content. Upon selecting the table block, you can customize it according to your needs. Determine how many rows and columns you need, and you're ready to input your data. The flexibility of the table block allows you to adjust styles, manage data alignment, and ensure everything looks neat and professional. Tables are especially useful in Woocommerce product descriptions for clear presentation of comparison charts and feature listings, making it easier for potential customers to make informed decisions. So, there you have it. Adding tables in Woocommerce product descriptions is straightforward with the WordPress editor. Simply log in, navigate to your dashboard, choose where you want to add your table, click the plus button, search, and insert your table block. Happy editing, and I hope your tables improve the way your products are displayed. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tips and tricks.